Good morning, everyone. Good morning, students.
Good
Good morning,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good morning.
Morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I have
Yes,
given you two magic squares to complete it as the remove Jania and Ahana this background. And this is the last warning I am giving to Ahana because I have several times noted this and Ahana never listen and follow that. Jania, please remove this background. Okay. And Varina, Varija, turn on your camera, please. Varina, turn on your camera, please.
But my camera is
And
not
Varija,
clear.
please come back to your place. Deep, it was working before also and it was working in the morning also. Please turn on.
Yes, ma'am, I am checking.
Varija, where is Varinya?
Ma'am, she's drinking water.
Okay. So students, I am going to draw the squares which I have given you. Can you tell me what the numbers are written in that?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, you please tell.
Ma'am, first you have written 10
Yeah.
over the top,
Then 5.
11, yeah,
Then
5
5,
and 11,
11 and 9.
11,
And the
9,
total should come 21. This one I have given you?
21. Ma'am,
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, this was the first square. Can I tell the answer?
Yeah. And what was the next square?
Ma'am, the
Ma'am,
next
next
square
square
was
you have
2,
given
then
no,
no,
27184.
Let me write.
27184.
Ma'am, I don't understand
5.
this sub.
Not 7, it's 5.
Where? 5.
Yes, ma'am, it's
Ma'am, I
5.
don't understand
7.
this
First
Dear,
first
section,
please
sub.
wait. Dear, please wait.
2
Please wait,
5
Dear. Please repeat the number.
ma'am, of the second word, it
2,
is
2
5,
5
1,
4.
4. And the total should
184.
come 15.
15.
Okay.
Total 15.
Okay, now quiet. Let me talk with Deer. Deer, you have attended my first class today, morning class, Deer.
Ma'am, I thought it was Hindi.
But I have written the message in the classroom. I was there in the classrooms also, both the classroom I was there. But you have not joined there also in the classroom. I was in A also, in B also, in activity classroom I was there. I have opened 3 links, but you have not joined there any of the class. If you have think Hindi, then also you have not joined in Hindi class also. And this I have explained in the morning. So if you have attended my class in the morning, you can able to understand what I am explaining. If you have not attended the class, then how you expect that you will understand? Sit properly, Dig. I want to see your full face. Arrange your camera properly.
What, ma'am?
I'm talking to Dirg. Dirk, if you have not attended my class, how you will expect that you will understand this? Okay. This is the homework which I given them in the first class, and now I am asking the answers from them, and which I have already explained them in the last class. Please attend your classes regularly. Yes, Yug Surana, can you give me the answer for the first one?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, ma'am. First, the below the 5, it will come 6.
1 to 9 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers. So the 9 is already there. 11 and 10 are additionals. So 5 is already there. 6 you have filled. So out of the given remaining numbers, fill these 4 boxes.
Ma'am,
Hansel, we are not
now,
coming here for hairs, making hairs and all. Please pay attention in the class and don't leave the class before the timing.
now below the 9, it will come 4.
Hmm.
Then
Then
above the
Ma'am,
11 is
ma'am, can I
7.
the second?
this one you will
Above the
tell
11
Priyad,
is
this
second.
one. What will come here?
Above the 11, 7.
Then
Then it is 3. 3.
and this
And the last is 8.
8. Okay, let me check. First we will check this, then we will come to this one. First we'll check row wise. 8 plus 3 is
Ma'am, 8 plus
13.
3 is 11.
11.
Oh,
Yeah,
13.
13. Ma'am,
11
it's
कैसे होगा
11.
बच्चा?
Ma'am, you are 10 plus 3 or 8 plus 3?
Sorry, 8, 10, 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3 is
13.
13.
13.
Dirk, now pay attention here when we are doing this. 10 plus 3 is 13 and 13 plus 8 is
21.
21.
21.
5 plus 7 is
15. No, sorry, 12. 12.
12 and 12 plus 9 is
21.
21.
21.
6 plus 11 is
17.
17.
17 plus 4 is
21.
21.
21.
now we check column wise. 10 plus 5 is
15.
15.
15 plus 6 is
21.
21.
21.
3 plus 7
10.
is
10.
10 plus 11 is
21.
21.
8 plus 9 is
8 plus 9 is 17.
17. There's 17, not 15.
Is 17.
17 plus 4 is
21.
21. 10. Now we check slanting. 10 plus 7 is
17.
17 plus 4 is
21.
8 plus 7 is
15.
15 plus 6 is
21.
so this is correct. Go to the next number, Priya. Tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Between 2 and 4, there come 9.
So 5 is already there, 4 is already there, 1 is already there, and 4 numbers are already, 2 is also there. Now you need to,
Between 2 and 4, it's come 9.
9. What, Kiana, any problem?
And besides
No,
2
ma'am,
is
I-
7. Besides 2 is 7.
Beside 2 is 7 here.
Yes, ma'am. And the
Okay.
7 beside 6. At the
Right.
then now the 5 down bottom there will be 3 beside 4. And beside 3, 8.
Wait, check column wise and row wise and slanting. 2 plus 7 is
Ma'am, 2 plus 7 is 9.
9 plus 6 is
15.
9 plus 5 is
14.
14 plus 1 is
15.
4 plus 3 is
7.
7 plus 8 is 15. So this is right. Right? Now we go to the next as we were doing about the coding in the last class. So continue with the
Ma'am, you are
coding.
not checking column wise.
Oh, sorry. I have checked.
Column wise and slant.
Please check and just let me know because I have erased now. Please check and let me know
Yes,
column
ma'am. I
wise also.
already checked. It's correct.
Yes, ma'am, it's correct.
Yes, ma'am. It's correct. Ma'am, it's correct.
Correct? Okay. Now we go to the coding as we were learning about the coding. Right? As I told you that you have to observe the code and make the another code for the next number. Suppose I have given you my name. RENU. Then I told you S
S
F
S F O
O. Then you told me that here V will come.
V.
Yes, because I am using the next number for the code. So according to this rule, which I have used for Renu, can you make black?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
first. Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I see
three
first?
first, ma'am.
I will call your name because
Okay, ma'am.
you will not follow otherwise the class rule. Mir Virani, what will be the next?
M.
M. Varinya, what will be the next? अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस रूल कि मैंने हर नेम का नेक्स्ट लेटर लिया है, तो क्या ब्लैक का आप कोड बना सकते हो? नॉट गिविंग आंसर. काविशा, गिव मी नेक्स्ट.
B.
बी, बिकॉज ए का नेक्स्ट नंबर है बी. यस, देव पटेल.
Ma'am, B.
हाँ,
B.
बी. यस लाइशा.
Ma'am, L.
L. So right this way you understood how to make the code for the words. Suppose now I'm giving you any word. Suppose cap. And for cap, I have written a code 3 1
Ma'am, 16.
16. 3 1 and 16.
It's
Can
correct.
can you make a code for rat? By following this rule, ये रूल फॉलो करते हुए एक रैट का कोड बना सकते हो?
Ma'am, 18, 1, 20.
18
18 120.
20.
It's correct.
It's
20.
correct.
It's correct.
It's correct. Okay. Write this in your notebooks. There is no rule. Rule क्या होगा? जो पहले का फर्स्ट का रूल है उसको फॉलो करते हुए नेक्स्ट का आपको कोड बनाना है. But it's clear
Ma'am,
to
we
you
have
all.
to write this in notebook.
Yeah. Yeah. Follow the rule. Follow the rule. And then here write make a code for rat.
Ma'am, we have to write this in our notebook.
Each student, I will say each time. Yes. Follow the rule of a cat and make a code for the rat. Let me take the attendance and then I will explain you more. Don't leave the class. I will continue the HRM here.
Ma'am, we have to put the two tick.
No. Tick to I have put just to explain you. Don't put tick.
Ma'am, done.
Done?
Ma'am, only rat we have to write, no other.
Yeah, now I will ask some examples from you, no? With the different codes and different examples. इसके code के according एक example is enough. You can make different after the class. Same rule के according आप और बना सकते हैं. Now I will give you more rules. Mohammad Patel, you have joined late my class. Turn on your camera and sit in the class. You were not aware that today is your maths class also? Can I raise?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am, you can.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, if I am giving you the another example of coding, you can write. If balloons balloons are blue, ये एक सेंटेंस है, balloons are blue, is coded as 834. So find what will be the code for girls. Please mute yourself. If balloons are blue is coded at 834. Balloons are blue एक पूरा सेंटेंस है, वो 834 के कोड में है. But what will be the code of girls? आप just observe this कि कैसे कोड बनाया है. Varinya, stop doing this. Pay attention in the class. Yes, Deep. Any doubt?
No, ma'am, I want to say.
No, I was asking from Deep. Any doubt, Deep? Turn on your camera, please.
Ma'am, the code for
Excuse me, ma'am.
5.
Yes, Ahana. Yes, Deep. Kavisha, wait. I will answer you.
Ma'am, the code of girls is 5.
Yes, Ahana. Yes, Deep. I'm stuck, students.
No, ma'am, you are not.
No, ma'am, you are not stuck.
Ma'am.
Okay. What happened, Ahana?
Ma'am, in my screen you showed that you are stuck, so I have even joined.
Okay, no problem. Varija, please tell Varinya to join the class.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Khush.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I give answer?
What happened?
Can I give the answer?
Yes, give.
it will be 4.
Varija, you give.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I can't see the answers line. It's like written unpin Renu Punjabi from your main screen. Ma'am, can I see the answer?
Wait, let me clear this doubt. Children, am I audible and visible to you all or not?
Yes, ma'am, you are.
Yes, ma'am, clearly.
Now,
So, you have explained how to find this code.
no, I have not explained yet.
What will be the code for girls? Okay. Ma'am, Ahana, can I tell? Ma'am, first 6 and then
Girls is the only one word. Here are the 3 words used. Balloons are blue.
Prayag.
Yes, Prayag.
Then the answer will be 5.
Okay.
The answer will
Many
be
of
five.
the students give me Prayag, Dev, Kavisha. They have given me the answer is 5. Yes, the answer is 5. How? Because 8 is balloons are 8 letters used. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here the 8 number is being used. Please, I request to the students, please increase your observation power. R are having 3 letters, so 3 word is used. Blue is having 4 letters, so 4 is used. So now if I can give you any word or any sentence, you just have to count the number of letters and write. So girls is having 5, the answer is only 5. Because girls is only a one word and which have 5 letters, so answer is 5. If I say girls are beautiful,
So
so 5
And
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9.
9. Sorry.
because
539 is the answer.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the 539 will be answered. But here I have used only one word. You just have to count the letters and write the code for that word. Am I clear? Your observation is clear now?
Okay, ma'am. It's clear.
Dirg, are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I erase it?
Yes, ma'am. You can erase
Ma'am,
it.
you write this in our notebook?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, whatever the examples I will write here, you need to write it in your notebook, students. Please mute yourself, Ahana. Now, the method which we have learned, no, right now, that for letters you have to count the words. Same on that. Which of the following can be coded as 3, 5, 7, 2, 4. Now I am giving you the options. उन ऑप्शंस में से आप बताना कि किसके लिए हमने ये कोड बनाया था 35724. वैकेशन इन इटली, Raj is excited about the party.
Ma'am, after 2 is written 4, no?
Then third option is Taj Mahal located in Agra.
Ma'am, C.
Taj Mahal located in Agra.
Yes. ये जो कोड बनाया है, Yug,
Yes, ma'am. Sorry,
Yug, today your voice, when you turn on your mic, your voice is echoing.
ma'am, because my computer is not working.
So please take a note of it. Otherwise, I'll not able to explain to the other students. According to this rule, this is the right answer because Taj is having 3 letters, Mahal is having 5, located is having 7, in is having 2 letters, and the Agra is having 4. So C is the correct option. Have you written down in your notebooks?
Wait, time. Excuse
Yes.
me, ma'am. My iPad battery is going to finish. Can I bring the charger?
Yes, please. Please do this, then I will give you more practice on coding. Children, in
Ma'am, we have to write Taj Mahal located or is located.
Taj Mahal located in Agra.
Ma'am, what is the second sentence?
Raj is excited about the party. P-A-R-T-Y. Children,
Writing.
listen here now, important thing. Coding can be done in numbers. Coding can be done in letters. Coding can be done in signs and symbols. Right? अगर मैं बोलूं R की जगह आपने वर्ड स्टार यूज किया है. So this way we will learn the coding with the signs and symbols also. So coding in the numbers, this we have done coding in the numbers. We have done with the coding with the letters also. By changing the position of the letters or by increasing the letters with one number ahead. वो भी coding हमने देखा. Yes or no? Respond in the class. युग आप माइक ऑन नहीं करिए आज प्लीज.
Yes.
You write it in the chat box because I get disturbed otherwise. You have any
Yes,
doubt,
ma'am.
write in the chat box. Kavisha, lower down your hand. Are you all clear with this? That we have done the coding with the numbers. We have done coding with the letter to letter and by changing the position of the letters. Then we have done the code. Now we are going to do coding with the signs and symbols. Good.
Okay, ma'am.
Good, Meer Virani and Yog Surana that answering in the chat box. Good students. Can I erase now, Bo? Students, can I erase?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See, children, today I'm teaching you. In the next class, I will ask your own codes and letters or numbers. You also create your own codes. Right? आप खुद के codes बना के आना, whether with the alphabets or with the numbers or with the signs and symbols. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Good. And discuss with me in the next class. Now, next is please write it in your notebooks. This is the third sum related with coding. Now, here I have written some alphabets.
Ma'am, on the question we have to write alphabets or just question
Make
can
a
write
table like
something
this.
it down. Ma'am, your board is blue.
It will be okay within 1 or 2 seconds. It is coming. Mute yourself, please. Ahana. आहना मैं अब आपको रिमूव करने वाली हूँ क्लास से. T N P C G A S E H K symbol. अब मैं इसके सिंबल्स बना रही हूँ. टी के लिए डॉलर साइन, एन के लिए परसेंटेज साइन, हाइफन फॉर पी. Yes. This sign is for C, and for G I will use the star, and for A question mark, for S upon A plus E for plus and hyphen for H, and for K I'm using this L sign this way. Right, these are the symbols I have using. Now according to the table given, how will the word,
And what is the C sign? T and P C.
we use no and के लिए हम use करते हैं ना एक, P के लिए hyphen, this is small s, and this type of and we write no sometimes. I don't know
Yes,
how
ma'am.
to make it this type of end. How will the word pens will be written in this language? In coded language. Coded language में अगर हमें पेन लिखना है तो हम कैसे लिखेंगे पेन को? Can you tell me?
So what is the last alphabet symbol?
K. K में it's like this. L की तरह this way.
Ma'am, can you put the screen down? Yeah, it's now.
Now students tell me. how we are going to write the pens in the coded language. Just these are the
Ma'am,
symbols given to
ma'am,
you.
can I show?
I will ask from the students. Please raise your hand. Janya, are you able to see the alphabets are written here? Janya,
Yes, ma'am, I
are
can
you
see.
are you able to see the some symbols are written here with the letters?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I have given you the question that how will you write the word pens in the coded language? Can you tell me
I know the answer.
which sign you will write for the P?
Yes, ma'am, I want.
No, can I tell in my class is I'm asking, I've already called the child. Yes, Janya, please speak. Others can mute their mic, please.
Then,
Yes, Janya,
ma'am,
please
what
speak.
is peace sign? I cannot spell it. I have written
Hyphen
it.
sign. Hyphen.
Hyphen
Hyphen
and then plus
Then what will come for E?
hyphen plus percentage
Plus,
and at the rate.
plus percentage and plus at the rate. Very good.
very
Is she correct, students?
Yes, ma'am.
So write
Yes, ma'am.
pens here and then write the code for the pens. Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am, and ma'am, I had made the cap also. I from it.
For what?
The cap.
Cap.
From it. CAP cap.
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
I've written down. Is it okay? I've written
Okay.
down.
Okay. Now I'm giving you the other word with the same table and you have to write the code for that. Now as we ask, I don't know why I'm getting disturbance in the class today. Anyone is switching on the camera mic and I'm getting disturbed today.
Ma'am, that is you.
Please don't do children this. Now I'm giving you the different word. Please make the code for that. Second, in the this one first is this and the second is as Priyak said cap. Can you make the code for the cap? I raise your hand. I will give you a chance to speak. Don't speak in between. Yes, Kiana, today you have not given me any answer. Can you try?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you tell the word again?
It's written on the board. CAP cap.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we will use and.
Yes, and then
Then question mark.
question mark. Then for P hyphen.
Yes, ma'am.
Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you make any
is
such
right.
word? Is there any child who can make the word from the given table? And we will
Can I
write the
say-
code for that. Yes, Laisha.
Ma'am, what?
Everyone, please pay attention here on the board. I know the students, those who are not paying attention, please
Ma'am,
look at the board.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, hat.
Hat. H-A-T.
Ma'am, I can tell. Can I say one?
Ma'am.
I will not listen to this class if you talk like this. If you don't follow the class rule, sorry. Laisha has given me the word hat. Please write the code for hat. H is this sign. A is question mark. And T is the dollar sign. Sorry, dollar sign.
Ma'am, can I see another word?
Yes, now Dheer will tell me.
Ma'am, NAP, nap.
Okay, the fourth one is given by the NAP. Now give me the code for, don't see these alphabets we have repeated many times. Can you make the another word, Dean?
Ma'am, I can tell.
Ma'am, can I say please?
Ma'am, PASS.
Can I don't have a rule in my class. If you say can I say, you will hold it. Can I say, I will not give you chance to speak. Pass, he said. For P it is the hyphen, A it is the question mark, and S it is the this at the rate 2 times because S is repeated.
Ma'am, can I tell one? Ma'am, the T1 signs dollars. Okay.
Next is Prayag. Because Mir Virani is keep on telling me, can I say? So sorry. Can I don't have a rule in my class.
Cage. CAGE. Cage.
CAGE. So C and sign, A question mark, and for G star, and for E plus. So if I give you any word in the exam, right? Any word if I give you, and if I give you the code of that also, and then I give you the another word, by following the previous word and the code, will you able to write the code for the next word? लिख पाओगे?
Ma'am, can you repeat your question again?
I am saying, अगर मैं आपको एक क्वेश्चन देती हूँ, and I am giving the code also of that. By observing that code and the word, will you able to make the code of the another different number name?
Yes, ma'am.
बना पाओगे? So please increase your observation power. Increase your observation power. Now take out your textbook, students, page number 116. Page number 116. 115 is already completed. Let us dance that.
Yes, ma'am. I have a word.
Now we're going for the next bacha. 116 page number. Tablu and Jagu are playing a game. They are writing some secret messages. Mute yourself, Farija. Yes. Don't get up from your place. Come back to your place. Mohammed, turn on your camera. Khush, turn on your camera, please. Shablu and Jagu are playing a game. They are writing some secret messages. But Kahuli is not able to understand them. So Jagu explained the rule. Jagu says, you see, we have changed each letter by its next letter. That we write G in place of F or O in place of N. So yes becomes gift. Oh, now I understand. See what I have written. Now he has written one word. Can you take out the word for that?
Ma'am, I go for washroom.
See, they said we are writing the word in the code. S की जगह हम लिख रहे हैं JFT. Means Y के बाद Z, E के बाद F and S के बाद T. Next letter they are using. So now this is the code given to you. Yes, Khush?
Ma'am, I go for washroom.
My dear, I am explaining something important. Then it will be your problem then to understand. Am I clearly visible to you all students?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Board is clearly visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now it is JF. Oh, sorry. XF, BSF, GS, JF, OET. This is the code now. अब कोड में से नेचुरल वर्ड में आने के लिए आपको एक लेटर पीछे जाना है. बिकॉज नेचुरल वर्ड से, मीनिंगफुल वर्ड से कोड में आने के लिए हमने एक लेटर आगे लिखा. अब कोड से मीनिंगफुल वर्ड में आने के लिए हमें एक लेटर पीछे करना होगा. ऑब्वियसली Yes or no?
ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
what, can you find out the meaningful word of this code? ये एक code में given है. इसका meaningful word बनाओ. Priyag has done.
Yes, ma'am.
Excellent. Any other child who has done? This is the code given. Find out the meaningful word of this code. Yes, Priyag, tell me.
Ma'am, can I say?
First, V.
Priyag, you tell me this only, then I will go to the next child.
Okay, ma'am. X and F is equals to WEV.
V, okay.
Okay. Yes. V.
X से पहले X, W, X, okay. F से पहले E, okay. V. Now tell me Div.
Ma'am, A.
A,
And ma'am, then R,
R,
and then E.
E. We are. Now you can see some meaningful word is coming by logic. See the here. See here, everyone, how the meaningful word is coming from the code. We are. What will be the next? Who is going to tell me? Raise your virtual hand and remove your hands. Bhakti, Dheer, Meer Virani, Raisha. And raise your hand for this code now. Meer Virani, will you try for the meaningful word of this code? Meer Virani, will you try or I'll move to the next child?
I'm trying.
Kiana, try. G का पहले क्या word है? G से पहले.
Yes, ma'am.
What are we learning, Kiana?
Ma'am, that code one.
See,
For
from meaningful word, the code is given that we are going one letter ahead. एक letter आगे जा रहे हैं. Now from the code, we have to go one letter.
ma'am, can I say?
So what will come in place of G?
F.
F. Very good. Bhakti, what will come in place of S?
Ma'am, R.
R. Div, what will come in place of J?
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Very good. If you got the answer, I will ask. What will come, Div, in place of J?
I.
I. Div, what will come in place of F?
Freedom! E. Ma'am,
E.
we are best friends. We are friends.
Yes. In place of O, what will come?
In place of O, N.
N. Varija, what will come in place of E?
M, ma'am.
In place of
Sorry, D.
D. Janya, what will come in place of T? You have to
Yes,
one letter back. What will come in place of T?
Wait a minute. Ma'am, can I say? Yes, ma'am.
What will come in place of T?
S. Oh, sorry.
S, ma'am.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Yes, S will come. We are friends. And Janya, I request you to please pay attention in the class. We are friends. So have you seen the magic here, students? From the coded word, we have find out the meaningful word. Yes?
Yes,
Same
ma'am.
way, make your meaningful word and find the code for that. And make your code and find the meaningful word for them. Please come prepared and give you some examples and share with me in the next class. Clear? Thank you, students.
Bye, ma'am. Have a good day.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Good day.
Have a good
Bye, ma'am.